Hi, this is Mrs. Dedecker here to show you how you're going to do your master slide in Google Slides. First of all, you want to log into your Google Drive right here on the web page. Once you're in here, you're always thrown into Docs, which is blue. You want to be in Slides, so just click on the menu over here and you should see Slides right here. And within Slides, you should see a file with your name and mission on it. So I'm just going to click on it. It's just a blank file. It's just so I can share it with you. Once you're into it, you'll see the first slide here. You want to go into Master Slide. So if you follow the instructions, you want to go into Master Slide by simply going into the menu View. So it's right here. These are all your menus going across, and you want to get to the View menu. So you're going to click on it so it drops your options, and once you see all your options, there's an option called Master. So just click on Master, and then you're thrown into this, and you just keep it the way it is. You just want to click on this Master slide here where the mouse is showing. And then in there you got a bunch of text boxes. You can just simply click on one of them and then press the Control A keys to select everything on the screen, and then press the delete to get rid of all of them. And it takes just a moment, and then once they're all deleted, then you can start fresh. And what I want you to do is put the title in, Mission Research, by your first and last name and grade level. So I'm just going to click on the text box, which you can get right here, or you can insert a text box here. So either way works. And then once you click on it, then you get a crosshair, and you want to just drag to make a box that's going to go across your slide. Once you get the box, then you can start typing where the cursor is. So I'm going to type in Mission Research by Mrs. Dedecker. And you're going to put the grade level, in this case it'll be 7th. And then I'm asking you to actually select that so that you can change the font to a size 18. So you're looking up here, here's your font. Arial is just fine. You just want to click on font size, make it 18, and then we want to make it nice and bold. And then we also want to align it by making it centered. So if you don't see the centering or alignment commands, you just click this More button. And then here it's not even showing the center, so you just click that drop down and you should see the center right there. So once you see it, you can click on it, and then you're set with the title. The next thing you want to do is at the bottom of the slide, so down here we're going to put two things for the footer. So here for this side we want to put the date, so we're going to grab another text box, and I'm going to just simply draw it down here, and I'm going to put the current date, which is January. Oh, actually, today is February. Oops, February 2nd, 2016. And then the next thing I want you to do is over here, you're going to actually put a slide number, but that's actually a feature you can use in Google Slides. So right here, you're going to insert a the button by going into Menus again, and then Insert, and then you want to look for what's called slide numbers. So I'm on the Insert menu, and I'm clicking on the slide numbers, and I just simply want to put them on, and then I want to apply so that it happens for all of them. So then it puts this little pound symbol. You don't have to worry that you have to put numbers or anything. It's just a placeholder so that any slide you create in this Google Slides file will automatically get a number attached to it. It's kind of nice. Once you're done with your slide, you might want to put a background on it. It's totally your option. Here if you go up here, you can change the background, so just click on that. I'm just talking background, and then you click down and you can see a color. Maybe you like the color, like a light color, maybe like green. So I'm going to click on green, and then I can just click on done, and all that I'm offering for this assignment is just a clear color background, no image. So now we have our green background, and then once we're happy with what our actual master slide looks like, and this is what all the slides will take on this characteristic. So then here I can just click this X button and then it'll get me out of slide master mode. So now we're in regular mode, and now we can start doing our research stuff. And typically I delete these extra boxes, or actually this one might not be bad. I could just bring this box up. And for this assignment, what we want you to do is actually research 8 different missions. There's 9 listed there on the assignment sheet, but you only need to pick 8. And then out of those 8, you're going to simply list the title of the mission. For the first one here is Campus Crusade for Christ. Crusade for Christ, or otherwise known as Cru. And then you can quickly put the second thing underneath and say the mission statement or purpose of the mission, and this is where your research comes in. And I'm going to just make this box a little bit bigger so that it can fit more information on it, and we can make this font size a little bit smaller, so maybe we could fit a couple of them on a single page, maybe make it 18, and then we can also put it to the side so that we can kind of see our titles versus the. So I'm just going to go in the more box and I'm going to look for the left justification, and you can even bold that if it would make it stand out more, and then hit enter, and this is where you're going to put the purpose of that particular mission. Once you decide where you're going to go, you can go to Google and simply search for that. As a matter of fact, to make it easier on you, you can actually go right into here and just copy and paste this right into your search box. So let's just search and then press enter. And we'll just say Campus Crusade for Christ in Milwaukee. Because here we have the one that's right at UW Milwaukee. And here in UW Milwaukee, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll kind of see what their purpose is. And if you're not sure where to look, a lot of these will have like a home page, or here, like here it's saying it's formerly Campus Crusade for Christ as a group of students. This looks actually like the actual statement you probably want to actually use, because it says our mission is that each person on campus has a chance to know someone who truly loves and follows God. So you can copy and paste that right into your research document, and voila. And then the last item that I'm asking for is the actual website. So once you get that, you can just copy and paste it right from that address bar. So copy and then paste. And I'm just using the Control-C and Control-V buttons. So there you go. So now you're done with that first mission, and then now you could do the next. Once you get all 8 of them done, then you're done with the project. Then you can actually go back and look at all of them and see if there's any of them that kind of speak to you, that you think you might be very interested in being a part of, or that just interests you the most. So you want to pick one of these, and then you're going to create a Powtoon from it, and that'll be another project. That'll be part 2. So just to keep in mind that as you do this project, and hopefully you enjoy doing this and learn a lot. Thanks. Bye.